Hey, hi guys. So I just purchased this OPPO A5 2020. It recently launched, and I got from this Reliance Digital. The price was same, so I thought I'll just get it. So I got this 4 GB 64 GB version. I think you get the 3 GB RAM as well, the version as well. So just looking quick at the specification, one thing attracted me is it had 5000 mAh battery. It's powered by the Snapdragon 665 processor. uh, Another thing, it has this dual speaker Dolby Atmos speaker, so the sounds really great. Let me just show you. Okay, the price that it comes for is 13990, and yeah, it has all other features same like at that price range. Yeah, so what do you get in the phone is, yeah, you get this nice case. Yeah, it's not that rigid, but yeah, it's pretty strong. So you get this case, and yeah, some booklets. Yeah, SIM ejector tool, and that's the phone. Let me just take it out. What all do you get? Yeah, so you get this charger, a C-type cable. Now this charger, if I just show you, it's 2 amps. I don't think so it's a fast charger, but yeah, it's a C-type, and uh, they have some thing to for fast charging, which I'm not sure, but yeah, that's what I'm aware of. That uh, it's still better, but not exactly a fast charger. Yeah, you get a nice earphones. I've not tested it, so yeah, it should be good. At this price range, usually they don't provide earphones, but yeah, OPPO is providing it. So let me just open you guys. Yeah, so this is a mirror black version. The design look nice, sleek, handy. Uh, so yeah, so if you see the camera, you have 4 cameras. One is 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel wide, and then they have added here another small camera. I'm not sure what it's for, but yeah, the shots have come well. Means I've tried it. The shots are good. Let me just power it on. So it has Android 9.0, having a color OS. Just getting powered on. So while it gets powered on, so yeah, it has this nice notch. Overall, it looks, the screen ratio is also good. So yeah, the color brightness. Okay, so it has 720 p HD. It's not full HD though. So but still, it looks pretty decent in terms of screen resolution. You can see here, I just show you. So the smart assistant, and then you have a camera. There you go, video camera. Night, there's something called night vision. I think it captures pretty well. So a pretty decent phone at this price range, I feel. not completely tested though, especially a lot of features. But yeah, the quick setting with respect to cameras and everything uh, looks fine. Means it doesn't seem to have any issues unless you extensively test it. But seems promising. The fingerprints scanner is right at the back, and it has placed at the right place. It's easy to access. So I think that's all. I just wanted to just show you guys quickly this phone. So if you wanna check, you can go to any nearby stores. I think that they have it. So just check it, and you can purchase from there or from online. I see the prices are same, so it shouldn't be a problem where you purchase from. But yeah, it's good that you can go and just check once, and if you feel like, you can buy it. So overall, a decent package given by Oppo here. Thank you.